Do you want to know the secret of how to make money fast at FeetFinder.com? Stick around and let our feet do the talking. Hello everyone, we are back and welcome to our channel. In today's episode, we will discuss one of the most exciting topics anybody would want to know about. If you are wondering how to make money on FeetFinder fast, stick around and I will tell you everything you need to do. But of course, before anything else, make sure to subscribe to our channel so that you will get updated for some tips on your foot fetish content business. All right, let's get it on. I'll tell you a little about myself. Prior to focusing on feet in my content creation journey, I had multiple income streams that at times, even when working for several various companies at a time to make ends meet, sometimes with all these revenue streams, my incomes was insufficient. And each time I was paid, it went directly to all of my bills and it was difficult to get ahead. Then one day, a friend, thank you, introduced me to FeetFinder.com, and she talked to me about how she earned fast and legit money and how she started her foot fetish content journey. And boom, I was very interested. So the next thing I knew, I began taking feet photos and started posting them on my verified FeetFinder account. At that time, I was taking photos of my feet part-time, and my first payment from FeetFinder was fantastic. It was much more than I expected. And so months later, here I am working on my feet content full-time. Selling feet content at FeetFinder is a great way to make money quickly and legitimately. And you can make a lot of money if you have the right skills and luck. So I'd like to share a few tips with you all to help you get started. You can also make money fast, easy, and legitimate money on FeetFinder.com. Number 1, determine your niche. There are plenty of various markets for foot fetish content, so it's really important that you find one that interests you. And if you don't know what kind of foot content you might be interested in making, we actually have a video to help. I will post the link in the description below, so be sure to watch that so that way you can know exactly what kind of fun you can get into. Determining your niche also allows your content to be more in tune with your own interests. And if you're passionate about the content that you're making and feet, you're more likely to be successful in this market. Number 2, research your competitors. I would recommend that you check out the top rated and most popular sellers on FeetFinder. It will help you to have an idea of what content to offer clients. Number 3, post feet content consistently. The more you post, the more chances you have of making a lot of money. When posting, you can also take the time to add vivid and descriptive words to your content. This will help to make sure that it catches the eye of your potential buyers. Number 4, always go for quality content. Only upload photos that are HD quality. Who buys mediocre content nowadays? Always, always give quality content to your clients. You can even watch one of our video tutorials on how to make good foot fetish content and take good feet photos. That way you have all the information that you need to upload the best quality content. Number 5, Be engaging. Making sure that you engage with your clients and being interactive with them is one of the best ways to promote your feet pics. Ask them, what kind of feet content would they want from you? And creating a customized package just for them is a great way to bring return customers. Always, always check your inbox. Don't miss any messages. Missed messages means that you just lost your chance at speaking with a potential buyer. So if you're struggling and you're looking for ways to make fast money, you might be interested in trying FeetFinder.com. There are various ways to make money with FeetFinder, so it's a great way to supplement your income. Selling feet content can be a lucrative business. There are many different ways to approach the market, and remember, the best way to find out what works for you is to experiment. Don't be afraid to try something new. So, do you want to make money fast? You know what to do. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions about anything I shared with you all today, just let me know in the comment section below. I'd be happy to answer any questions for you and give you a shout out. Feel free to subscribe to this channel and to learn about FeetFinder and its legitimacy. I'm wishing you a happy and healthy exploration into whatever turns you on.